All right, what's up? It's been a bit since I've done a video, but yeah, we're back in Toronto after a nice year spent in Mexico. And yeah, that was awesome. We got back in August of 2024, and yeah, just kind of settling back into the city, getting things reacquainted again, because yeah, everything's different a little bit. Same but different. A lot has changed. Yeah, a lot has changed. We got an RV, which is crazy. Ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
Are you ready? We bought it with the intention of renovating it. We've gutted it since, but still working on getting some stuff done. It's in storage right now, and we're gonna hopefully get it on the road this summer and work on getting it nice and fully furnished, renovated for our needs to do some traveling, and then launch my own firm as well too at the start of this year, and that's been going pretty well. Yeah, lots and lots of changes. Also, puppies, our two fur babies had babies, which was crazy. All right, so my dogs decided that they were gonna do the little dirty, do the little nasty, and we got a bunch of these little guys. Yeah, hi puppy. They're all so freaking cute. So yeah, lots of craziness. Anyways, I'm out getting a little bit of a warm-up walk right now. I'm gonna start my day 6 of my run challenge, my run journey. So yeah, 6 days ago I started running. Wanted to really just kind of change the training style that I've been doing over the last 10 years. It's always been focused on like weightlifting, you know, just kind of like normal steady state cardio. But yeah, I kind of got to this point where I want to really improve my cardiovascular health. I want to be able to run.
If you can't fly, run.
Like, and run a long distance. My girls are young right now, my 2 kids, and they're gonna get big quick, and I'm gonna need to chase them around. And if I'm huffing and puffing because I'm this guy who just goes to the gym and lifts weights, yeah, that's not a good look. So I started, and honestly, I'm loving it. The only thing that I'm still working on figuring out is just figuring out how to not hurt. Because yeah, I am like in pain and all over, and I think it's really just because I have some imbalances in certain places, but I'm learning. I'm stretching after every run, all throughout the day. Got a massage gun, so things are going all right. My goal is to do some fun stuff. There's things like half marathons and high rocks challenges. So there's actually supposed to be a high rocks thing happening in Toronto at some point this year. I don't know exactly when. There's nothing posted on their site yet, but yeah, gonna try and do some of that stuff. Anyways, well, I'm gonna work on getting at least like a 3 or 4K run right now. Yeah, feeling pretty good today. Did all my stretches, and yeah, the body's feeling nice.
A few moments later.
We made it 1 kilometer. It's okay. So your boy got a shin splint. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, why is my calves hurting so much the last couple of days? And you know, it's not the actual calf muscle itself, it's like the soleus, and then it really today, like I got to like 0.6 of a kilometer and my leg is just on fire in pain. I'm like, nah, I gotta at least get a kilometer before I end this day. And so anyways, I come back home and I'm touching away right here and it's just in so much pain. I did find some stretches that worked a little bit, but main issue is now figuring out how to strengthen this in a way where I can run consistently, because I'm actually really enjoying it. I want to run a lot. So alright, so getting some food in right now. Your boy is hungry. We got sweet potato and we got chicken. Some chicken breast. This is done chicken shawarma style. Wifey made it. It is booming. Very good. Anyway, so I wanted to talk about what I'm doing with the business side of things. My firm, Threadly. Yeah, honestly, it's been going well. Part of the reason why I decided that I wanted to run my own agency was because I honestly atrophied in certain skills that, you know, I'd spent a good portion of my career developing. I started off in sales and business development and sold things from software sales to financial services and like everything in between. And when I got into recruiting, it was because there was this like ability to sell to both sides. So it was like, to me, the perfect sale, because I was looking for more impact. I wanted to like really make a great sale, like something that people actually wanted. And, you know, I felt like I was selling stuff that, you know, really just didn't have any meaning. But when I heard about recruiting, it was, you can help somebody land a role that improves their career path. And then you can help a company find somebody that's going to improve their business. So it was like, this is a real true win-win. And, you know, when you bring in the right person to the right company, that person can 10x everyone around them. And that was a huge thing for me. So when I joined a firm, it was a small firm, about 9 years ago now at this point, you know, we were doing everything. There was, you know, 4 of us at the time. We figured, okay, you know, we're gonna run a 360 desk. So we would do business development to get new clients, but then we would also each individually reach out and get candidates and, you know, make placements. And so, sorry, excuse me. And so doing that, you know, this is, you're running your full desk. And, you know, we started talking about things where we could scale and where we could make more improvements in our overall efficiency as a, you know, a small firm. And we got to the point where, all right, we decided we would try out one person running business development, one person running account management, and one person doing recruiting, which landed on my shoulders because, yeah, I was doing exceptionally well when it came to placing candidates and closing candidates. And yeah, anyways, so we went down that path for a few years and it was good. I mean, you know, we were bringing in more business than we ever had. We were closing more candidates than we ever had because, you know, now my day was spent on just sourcing amazing people and finding them the right match with the jobs that we had. And that was great. But, you know, over time, I really figured like, man, I'm missing out on one of the biggest parts of being an agency recruiter, which is, you know, really getting close to clients. And of course I did. You know, I was in client calls, I was in, you know, sync meetings on a regular basis. So still building those relationships, but they weren't my relationships. And so, yeah, this was a sort of an eye opener for me over the last few years where I was like, you know, we're changing things. We, again, gone through a lot of different changes just personally, and that, you know, trickled into the business side of things where I was like, man, I need more for myself. And so, yeah, at the beginning of the year, I started my firm, and like I said, it's been going fairly good. Not as great as I thought, but I'm at the beginning stages. And so if I keep grinding, keep doing what I need to do every single day, day in and day out, it's gonna pay off. You know, I've built, you know, million plus a year, and you know, doing it for somebody else, it's like, okay, you get a small chunk of that. Doing it on my own, there's a level of expansion that I can put myself into that I haven't been able to in the past. And so what I mean by that is, of course, more money, more problems, but more money, more opportunities, and more things that I can do to expand the ideas that I have. So that's what I'm working on over the next little bit. I've been, you know, playing around with a lot of different technologies and tools to make my day a lot more efficient. And I'll get into that over, you know, the next like couple of videos, just talking about what tools I'm using, you know, how effective they are, and hopefully, you know, it gives a little bit of insight into what my day-to-day looks like. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end the video here because I've been talking for quite a while, and I hopefully gave everybody a good look at what, you know, what we've been up to, and yeah, what we're planning to do to an extent. I'll, again, go into some more of those details as we go over the next couple of videos, but yeah, on a new path. It's 2025, and you know, I'm ready to make the biggest year of my life. So let's go. Peace.